A sophisticated new phishing campaign is targeting organizations by hijacking legitimate business domains. Instead of using fake websites, attackers are compromising real company infrastructure to send malicious emails. KnowBe4's Threat Lab uncovered attackers exploiting compromised domains and email services to bypass security checks like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. The campaign uses multiple tactics in a single attack: QR codes, hidden JavaScript, HTML attachments, and abusing legitimate URL redirects. Over 170 reported cases targeted finance and healthcare organizations, primarily in the US, over just 2 days in October 2024. To protect yourself, preview QR codes before scanning. Be cautious of attachments even from known senders, and watch for irregularities in emails. Stay informed about evolving cybersecurity threats by following for more updates.